Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is ciarahoneyFIT and I do videos on wellness and weight loss. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to flatten your stomach super fast. I have been known in my day to flatten my stomach and to tone up and tighten up when I need to. You guys know, or if you're new to my channel, then check out previous videos, but I've done multiple videos on how to flatten your stomach, how to give your waist that Coke bottle shape, how to have a tiny waist, and just over the years I've learned a bunch of tricks and tips and secrets on how to get your stomach flat. My stomach is my problem area. By no means is my stomach flat or naturally flat, so I've learned what it is that I need to do and what it takes in order to get a flat stomach. Some people are just blessed with a flat stomach and God bless them. I am not one of them. I actually have to work really hard at it, but I found some shortcuts and some hacks for getting your stomach flat. So if you're interested in seeing those, then definitely you'll want to stay tuned. Abs are made in the kitchen, and there's kind of really two ways that you're going to get your stomach flat, and that's either through the inside, internally, what you put in your body, or on the outside from just things that you do, exercises you can do, moves you can do to help strengthen your core and flatten your stomach. So I'm gonna split this video into two parts, and the first part will be that physical portion. Okay, so you guys know I've been trying out different workout systems this year. One that I have found to be really good for flattening your stomach and toning up is the Body Boss program, and it's a 6-week training program. It's actually called the Body Boss 6-week tone guide, and this is a comprehensive program that I think would be really helpful to you guys because it not only gives you tips and tricks, it's actually a combination of cardio training, HIIT training. It gives you more, how do I say this, unique workouts to translate to more visible results. So if you are trying to get in shape quick for like an event or for the summer, or just if you don't have time to play around, then this is the program for you. Like I said, it's 6 weeks. It gives you lots of different kinds of workouts. So definitely if you're trying to flatten your stomach, there's lots of ab workouts as well as full body workouts. There's HIIT, which is high intensity training, interval training, cardio workouts, strength training, resistance. If you're like me, I like to use my body weight for resistance, so you can do that, or you can use like dumbbells or things like that if you prefer. Basically you can do the online version, which is just like all the online workouts and all the training tips and everything online on their platform, or you can get the online training as well as the training booklet, which is what I did. This is what the training booklet looks like. This is the tone guide. So it really just shows you how to do like each move in specific detail. You can also measure your progress. It's also kind of like a journal. So you can measure like your progress, you can log your workouts, and you can also take advantage of, they have a nutrition guide as well. There's just so many resources. That's why I chose to try this program as opposed to some other programs, because this is just fully comprehensive. It just makes everything super simple. You can record your beginning weight, your ending, you can put like your measurements and things like that, like you can do different challenges. I am really trying to focus on working smarter and not harder this year because I don't have time to do like a ton of gym workouts and spend hours in the gym every day, and so I really have just been focusing on short, like really effective bursts of intense workout, and so that's what this program has given me. So I have found, guys, that by doing this program, I have trimmed down and toned up, as well as my legs have gotten slimmer. I don't know if it's just the particular workouts like I've been doing, but my legs have gotten slimmer. My stomach has gotten flatter. I do also still use my my sweatband around my stomach, and I know that helps too. But I've noticed that I have more of like a Coke bottle shape, and my waist has gotten tinier, and so I really love this program. And so I'm really happy with the results I've achieved. Also, I love their little apparel, their like Body Boss workout top. It's super cute. It's like pink and blue, and you guys know I'm all about the girly. So yeah, definitely check that tone guide out, because really you can eat super healthy and that may be enough, but also you want to try to start doing some moves and some exercises. It's gonna help. I did a lot of like core strengthening, so not even so much crunches, but like just lots of things like I like to do the booty lift things, and that actually does help strengthen your core. I like doing things that lengthen you out because I want like a long, lean look for my stomach rather than just like a muscle, hard ab, like crunched up look, if that makes sense. You want your stomach to look long and lean, and that's how I want my stomach to look. I just want it to look flat. Like, I don't need abs of steel. I don't need a six-pack. I still want to look girly. So, you know, throw a few exercises in there, try out the Body Boss program, and go online and try some of those ab workouts and full body workouts and see how those work for you. I will link below the program, the 6-week toning guide. Check out the link to where you can purchase it. Like I said, the online version, or you can purchase the booklet too, and try that out. If you want to try out any of their apparel or nutrition guide, definitely check that out as well. I think you'll really like it. In addition to the Body Boss program, I have been doing, like I said, my waistband, my sweatband. It's from Sweet Sweat. I'll link that below as well, and I have found that has really helped to cinch my waist in. I think it's actually like shaped my waist more, and it's helped to rid my stomach of water weight because it just makes it sweat a lot. And so I really like that. I've noticed a huge difference, like with those two things, my Body Boss and my sweatband. My stomach has gotten so much flatter. If you want a flat stomach, those two things are definitely going to help you. Okay, and so the other part of this is obviously your nutrition. I have put together a meal plan meal guide, and anyone can use this meal guide, whether you are vegetarian or you eat meat or you don't eat meat, or you're vegan or you're vegetarian or you're ovo-lacto vegetarian, or just whatever it is. There is options for everyone, and I made it this way on purpose because there's been points in my life, I'm gonna be honest, like in order to get my stomach really flat, like the times in my life I've gotten it most flat are when I cut out meat and dairy. For me, that's not necessarily a long-term option, but for you, try it and see if you like it, see if your body responds to it. Mine certainly did, and that has been when my stomach was absolutely the flattest. So there's options in there if you do want to cut out meat and dairy, but a lot of the meals that you will see and that you can put together in that meal plan are going to help your stomach get flat. Because for me, like I said, my stomach is my problem area, so anytime I've ever tried to lose weight, I really have tried to focus in on my stomach. I also have some more tips, tricks, and hacks that can help you if you're trying to flatten your stomach. The first one is to reduce carbonation. Even if you're drinking diet sodas, carbonation really does contribute to just bloating. It can also give you cellulite actually. So just try to drink lots of water. Stay away from sodas, even diet sodas, even like carbonated waters, things like that. You'll definitely want to reduce down as much carbonation as you can, or eliminate it, because this is going to help your stomach to appear flatter, and it's going to help you to feel less bloated. So definitely do that. Also, of course, drinking lots of water is good for weight loss and good for flushing out your system. It's a natural diuretic. So another way to flatten your stomach is diuretic-rich foods. So for example, asparagus, that's probably my #1 diuretic food is asparagus. Watermelon, asparagus, those two things will flatten your stomach so much just by eating those two things. It's crazy. You're gonna be like, whoa, I didn't even realize my stomach was holding all that water. Those two foods are literally just natural diuretics. They just flush all that water out. And maybe some of you want to flatten your stomach, and it's not even because you have lots of fat content in your stomach, or even because you have a big stomach, but maybe you're just bloated, or maybe you're just not getting enough water, or maybe you're holding onto a lot of water weight. I tend to hold on to tons of water weight, so definitely try eating those diuretic rich foods and see how that helps you. You can also try out some supplements, all natural diuretic supplements, things like dandelion root, cranberry. Those are also diuretic. Those are like also all natural diuretic kind of supplements and things you can incorporate into your diet in order to help flush that water and that water weight out of your stomach. Also, you'll want to make sure you're getting more protein, less carbs, less starchy carbs. So anything like sweet potato is going to be good for you. Quinoa, things like that are going to be good carbs, but try to reduce like your bread and your rice and just any kind of like flour or starchy things, your potatoes, your corn. And try to up your protein. So protein shakes, obviously like fish, if you're going to do poultry, chicken and turkey, if you do meat like or red meat, steak, things like that, lean steak, lean protein, any lean protein is going to help you flatten your stomach because it's going to help to build those muscles that you're getting from your workouts, but it's also going to help reduce the water weight and the water retention around your stomach, and it's just going to make your stomach flatter. So you're going to lose weight and it's going to make your stomach flatter. Some other tips and tricks just to flatten the appearance of your stomach and to tighten it is there are products you can get. There's like creams, like caffeine creams. There's Fab Girl Bliss. I've tried that. They have a toning gel for your stomach. You can also try the Brazilian Bum. I think it's called a Brazilian Bum cream. I will link below the two kinds I've used in the past. Those have helped so much, like when I was prepping for an audition or tryout or whatever, and I just wanted my stomach to look like really sick, I would just rub those on every night. Also doing wraps. I used to do like the It Works wraps. I don't know if they still sell those or not, but doing the It Works wraps, as well as like now I'm seeing a lot of people doing kind of a DIY wrap with saran wrap and Vicks rub, and you can use your sweatband to put around it and sleep in it at night. I have not tried that. If you guys want me to try it, I will, thumbs up. But I'm seeing videos of people on YouTube losing tons of like water weight and their stomachs getting completely flat overnight doing that. So that I haven't tried. I see that from YouTube videos that it has results, but I have tried the creams. They do work to temporarily tone and tighten your stomach, so don't rely on those like to completely tone your stomach. But if you're trying to get ready for an event, you want to look good at the beach, you have an audition or tryout, and you want your stomach to look sick and toned, along with, you know, the other tips and tricks and secrets and programs I've been telling you about, then definitely try those out too. Okay, you guys, that's all I've got for this video. I hope you found it helpful. My battery is actually about to die, so I'm gonna go. But if that was helpful for you, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe so you can see more weight loss and wellness videos. Don't forget to hit that bell button so you can get notified when I do upload them, and so my new videos don't get lost in the YouTube shuffle, and you'll know exactly when I put a video up. I thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely check out Body Boss down in the description box, as well as my rapid weight loss meal plan and any other products I've mentioned you'll see down there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you and appreciate you. I'm happy to answer any questions you guys have in the comments or future video requests. Thank you so much. Again, I love you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.